Let's quickly check out what we get when we purchase a smart light sound machine. So this is what the box of it actually looks like and some of the functions. Okay, so inside the box we will get our smart light itself, and also we actually get a charger cable that uses power, and also a quick manual if you want to pause. The manual is complete garbage, I would say, on it. The unit itself, this is what it looks like. So, and this is the G63, the smaller version. They also have like bigger versions. DCI in, basically, so we can power it. Also aux output, so we can plug in 3.5, and also we can insert memory card here as well. And this device actually can be used with both iPhones and also Androids. To turn it on, simply press this. So we have a display where you can see our current time, and also we can also set alarm here as well, and also control music here as well. If you want to change the modes, simply press this. Let's start some music. A lot of different modes actually. And this one's very pleasant. And we have a speaker over here as well. You can also increase the volume. When it comes to price, this unit costs around $10, sometimes like 8 or 9. So also I will actually leave a link where you can get it for essentially for free on Temu if you are like a new user, as well as I will actually leave a link to AliExpress as well. Again, if you are a new user to AliExpress, you can get it for essentially for free. So again, check the description and comments. So again, probably the Temu and AliExpress is the main like place where people actually purchase them. So if someone asks you like $30 for this, it's yeah, definitely do not pay that. They cost around $10, the normal price. And also we actually have wireless charger here as well. So if we plug it in, so we have to plug it in, so we can't charge from internal battery. So we can pop on our phone basically, and as you see, it will actually start to wireless charge your phone, which is kind of cool. Again, it works with both iPhones and also Android phones. So overall, speaker, pretty good speaker actually, probably for such a cheap price. Wireless charger, also nightlight, and also it has internal battery as well. We can actually play music from internal memory card. Overall, yeah, absolutely cool nightlight. Again, check the comments and description. I will leave basically a link where I got mine from, and probably to those special offers as well. Yeah, if you are like a new user there, yeah, you can get it for essentially almost free. Anyway, good luck guys.